What's up, guys? Zoe Rose here, and I just wanted to pop on and show you guys a simple wave tutorial. So we're going to be using a Marcel iron today. This one is it's not a spring-loaded one, but if you guys have that, it's fine. We're not going to be opening the clamp at all. So you're going to want to keep everything closed together, and you're just going to wrap the hair around your iron. So a lot of times people will use their wand for this. You definitely don't have to. You can just keep your iron closed. So the key to this style is making sure that you're holding the ends out. That is going to keep it from getting too curly. So I'm working my way up the head using horseshoe sections, and I'm taking about inch-sized sections. That's so hard to say. And I'm going the same direction until I get into the center back. So around the face, you always want to go away from the face. So you're going to work your way back, and once you get to the center, you're then going to switch directions. So by the time you get to the front of the other side, your curls will still be going away from the face. You're going to repeat this all the way up the head. Super simple. If you want more volume, you can alternate the directions of which you're waving, but just make sure that the ones around the face are going back so they don't fall into the face. Depending on the length of the hair, if there's a lot of layers or things like that, you might have some bits that kind of stick out a little bit and look too straight. If you feel like you don't like that look, you can absolutely continue to curl it down through the ends. Personally, for me, I like having little bits that kind of poke out all over the place. I like it to be a little more undone and kind of piecey, but that's a personal preference between you and your client. So if you don't like that, go ahead and curl all the way through the ends, no problem at all. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply a little bit of Colton King balm. So this is just going to help hydrate the hair a little bit and give it a little bit of definition without making it greasy or sticky. I love this balm because it's super, super light in a way that you can keep applying more without weighing the hair down, and it's not going to affect how the curls lay at all either, which I love. So I'm going to run this through everything in the hair. I started in the front to kind of piece back the fringe area a little bit, and I'm just running everything through all the mids and ends, making sure I'm working it into the root to give a little volume as well. After that, I'm going to go ahead and spray the set spray from Colton King to give it a little bit more tooth. I just want it to have some hold, but it's still going to be very touchable and brushable. So I'm just going to spray that through wherever I kind of want the pieces to have a little bit more definition and want them to kind of stay back a little bit more. But you'll see once I kind of fluff this a little bit, it's definitely still very touchable. That is pretty much it. This style is nothing new. I'm not breaking the internet with this one, but it's a simple style that you can practice, and it just looks really nice and effortless, but it still has style. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Another voiceover because, again, I forgot to mute the radio I was listening to, so you guys get voiceover today. If you guys like this, make sure you subscribe and comment below what you guys want to see next. Maybe another styling tutorial, hair cutting. I'm game for anything. Let me know what you want to see in the comments, and I'll see you guys later.